Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. And as you can see, I'm in my truck. So what does that mean? It's field trip day. We're going somewhere. We're headed down to Nashville, North Carolina to see our buddy Jason. He owns DuFour tractor parts, hence the shirt that I'm wearing. And we're going to pick up an older John Deere disc for my buddy Brian. So anyway, check out Jason's website. He's got a website. He's got a Facebook page. Give him a call if you need some tractor parts. He's got a big tractor salvage yard, antique tractors up through some of the newer compact tractor stuff. All makes and models, John Deere, Farmall, Massey, you name it. So if you need any big components, he's got it. Final drives, transmissions, engine blocks, you name it. He sells obviously smaller stuff as well and new things. So if you want to rebuild your carburetor, you need some plug wires, a seat cushion, whatever. He's a one-stop shop. Check him out. Really awesome guy to deal with. Super friendly. Give him a follow and some support from the Rusty Wrench crew. And just a good dude to deal with. So anyway, headed down there. So we'll do a little video down there, see what he's got to offer, and we'll see you there. Well, made it down here in one piece, and we're able to get Brian's John Deere disc. It's pretty sweet. It's got all these cleaners on here to clean any buildup off the discs. It's pretty cool. Don't see that too often. They're pretty much all on there. So that being said, do a little walk through here. Again, DuFour tractor parts in Nashville, North Carolina. He's got a little bit of everything. David Brown, John Deere. Got a old BF Avery right here. I don't see many of those. Just all kinds of neat stuff. I do want to get over here and show you this McCormick Deering pretty quick though, before I forget, because it's kind of tucked away. This is a pretty neat tractor. I have no idea what year, but that's the stuff that built America, you know. All right, let me get back on the path here. Yeah, a little bit of everything. Something for everybody, that's for sure. Again, got some, these are like 2040s, probably 60s, 70s. And just a huge array of a little bit of everything. Old Alice Chalmers. Another buddy of mine had one of these. They called it a grasshopper. Got the engine in the back here. Pretty cool. Tanks, fenders, tires, you name it. Brian's looking for more things he doesn't need. We're gonna go home with a full trailer today. We were commenting to Jason earlier about the smell of the grease and the oils and the gas and just the old tractor smells. It's awesome. Very cool. And then we got to talking about the tobacco barns here. They're said over 100 years old. Nice single front B here. But yeah, these tobacco barns, he said, over 100 years old in North Carolina, tobacco country, right? So that's a predominant crop in this region. But this one here at some point had been recovered with some pressed steel. The one over here, let me zoom in a bit. You can tell it still has the original wood siding on it. And let me go over there and grab a look-see before I forget and get back to talking tractors. But, you know, they built these things 100 years ago, and they're still standing, you know. They've done some repairs, they've done some foundation work, and poured a concrete floor in here. But, you know, for the most part, this is what they had. This is rural America. This is the stuff that built our country, you know. Here's the inside. And I don't know all the nomenclature. I've seen tons of these down the sides of the roads, but, you know, never had actually been inside one before. But basically, these rafters that you see going across, you can see there's another set on the wall here. There's sticks that would go across and get stacked on all these layers. So you'd have a section here, section here, section here, section here. And all these sticks that go across, the tobacco leaves would hang from. So again, it's pretty cool, just part of our history. He did have a concrete floor put in. He used to be a dirt floor. And over on the side here, you can see, besides a nice fender for an L, the brickwork for the fireplace or the chimney. So they would burn the wood to heat the inside of this tobacco barn. And if you look up, see if I can zoom in the four corners. So 1, 2, you can see they've been patched. There is a flue in each corner, he said. So as the heat would come in to dry the tobacco, the heat would go out the top. So yeah, they'd have their whole families out here, and they'd put the little kids up at the top to hang everything. So it's just really neat to see. And you know, just the barn wood, it's just beautiful. So very cool. All right, back to tractors. So he's got some nice lowboy cub, and there's a really cool Alice Chalmers forklift that they use for moving parts around. This is Susie's personal tractor. I guess Jason's not allowed to use it at all. But anyway, yeah, just a huge expanse of everything, you know. North Carolina is known for farm mauls, right? Cubs and A's, and then also John Deere, the Dubukes. So there's lots of M tractors here, quite a few of them in the row. So anything you would need, he's got. I mean, beautiful grills, nice tin work. You know, I mean, some people buy those just to put on their wall as art. So anyway, like I said, tons of stuff here, a little bit of everything for everybody. So if you're looking for stuff to restore your tractor, or you just need a part, a nice belt pulley here for an M, yeah, give them a call, shoot them a message on Facebook, and see what DuFour can do for you. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Had a awesome trip down to see Jason. Brian got his disc. I was able to get a new tank, a new gas tank for my John Deere 430. And we stopped at a place called Smithfield's Chicken and Barbecue. Man, it was so good. So bought a pint of barbecue to bring back to the fam, and some red sauce. So anyway, all in all, a good day. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you hit up Jason if you need some parts, and hope everybody has a good Labor Day weekend.